Introducing the 2022 Tesla Model X. With less than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. See what the future looks like when you enter this super high-tech Tesla Model X. The all-electric SUV with a long driving range, all-wheel drive, nimble handling, and an available third row. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, heated and/or cooled front seats, keyless entry, heated driver's seat, navigation system, wood grain interior trim, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, premium sound system. Move forward with confidence in this innovative Model X. Come in for a test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.